What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I will show you my takeaway in regards to the fair price of next bullish hydrocarbon shares back in December of 2022. Then I will continue with an amazing news and I have to say that potentially within next several hours we will know the second broker-dealer who has an imbalance on their books and that might be another evidence that we have another broker-dealer with the counterfeit shares. On top of that, I will show you some updates in regards to Richard Hoffman's arbitration and his new lawsuit against TRCH. And guys, before we dive deep into all of this, I kindly ask you to just hit the like button. It means a lot to me and it is the easiest way how you can say thank you to me. So, and let's start with the news. First of all, I want to put your attention again on the article that was published on MMTLP Resources about the new video collusion. And here you can see some tweets how you can push this video forward. And for those of you who didn't know, Crucial Mix and MMTLP Studios made a new video that explains our current situation, and this video is very thoroughly made and it is very professional. I highly encourage you to watch it, and this video is the perfect example how you can spread this information to the broader audience. And here is the update how you can share this video on your Twitter account, and I don't want to dig deep inside this, just take a look on the MMTLP resources and read this entire article. And guys, the next tweet is very important to me. Crucial Mix wrote this: "Thank you Andrei and Fedov for your consistent daily YouTube coverage of MMTLP." And guys, this tweet is really important for me personally, because it is very difficult, sometimes it is very difficult to do a daily update without any day offs, but this type of support means a lot to me. And thank you very much for this support, and it is really important for me, and that's why I will continue to do these videos. So, and let's switch to the real news of MMTLP community. Iron April wrote this tweet just several hours ago. Update: broker number 2 share count audit drops Sunday, January the 7th, 2024. Are you ready? If you have not shared your MMTLP position, all brokers, and you wish to voluntarily do so at this time, please go to the Just Retail Investors website. And here is the link where you can fill the spreadsheet and where you can disclose the number of shares in certain brokerage, which might lead to another evidence of share imbalance like TRCH has. So, the next community share count effort is being evaluated and will be announced soon. This is just a PSA only and not urgent at this time. Please keep up the calls, emails and Twitter campaigns. Those are the priority. And yes, I think within next several hours we will know this new data, and potentially it will be another bombshell in regards to our case. So, let's go forward. Let me show you this. How it is even possible that TRCH has this huge imbalance, more than twice of the real shares, of the real share count. Junk Savvy wrote this: "This seen at every compliance department in fully paid share lending brokerages. MMTLP fiasco has not only exposed counterfeit shares, but has exposed the corruption and fraud in fully paid share lending programs. They entice, they back, then they steal. MMTLP fiasco has exposed brokers who redesignate trading accounts from cash to margin, loan shares, fail to pay borrow fees, all without clients knowing. Now they are refusing to transfer shares. We have been unable to recall a portion of the lent out shares. We will not be able to honor your request to transfer. Did you sign a lending agreement? Did you receive borrow fees? And guys, this is two main questions that you have to ask to your broker dealer because the issue with TradeStation shows that potentially we have quite similar activity from other broker-dealers, and we have to know, is this situation common for all brokerages, or it is just a standalone issue with TradeStation? We don't know at the moment, and that is why we have to find it out. So, and this entire issue shows how weak the US authorities are. And let me show you that other countries are stepping in to fight this illegal activity. Mark Basil wrote this: why is the SEC allowing the US markets to turn into the laughing stock of the world when Korea, India and other less developed countries' markets recognize the huge problem they are facing and actually do something to protect retail from naked shorting? Maybe retail in the United States isn't poor enough. Even India recognizes naked short selling problem and bans institutional investors from naked shorting. And here's the link that leads us to this article, that SEBI bans naked short selling. No institutional investors shall be allowed to do day trading. And guys, it is the third country. Let me show you that two other countries that are trying to ban this illegal activity are South Korea and Thailand. And India is the third one. And guys, why in the world the United States authorities don't do anything in regards to solve this problem? I think it doesn't make sense, and we have to change this situation. So, and how we can change it? Definitely we can change it through litigations, and the latest update and the latest litigation that potentially will be filed very soon is made by Richard Hoffman. He is, let me remind you that he is in the process of arbitration against Fidelity, and for now he is about to file a new lawsuit against TradeStation. And in his latest tweet, he explains, and basically in his latest video on his YouTube channel, Not Legal Advice, by the way, subscribe to his YouTube channel, he explains how he will do it, and he explains the current situation with his arbitration. And I have to say that he just filed a new motion, and he gave all the information to the federal judge in order to keep him with the latest up-to-date information. And guys, I highly suggest you to watch this video where you will find out some answers to your questions. So, and let me show you this tweet again. Yesterday I showed you this tweet that was written by Johnny Tabaka, where he stated that $8 is the fair price for MMTLP shares. And he explained it why he thinks so. And guys, let me show you that this information is quite fair, because the equilibrium price for the last several days, right before the U3 halt, is about slightly above $8 mark. And it doesn't mean that it is the fair price for the MMTLP shares. It is an equilibrium price, which is basically reflects the current situation on the market. Next to the last day, as you can see, December the 8th, where it was halted, the price dropped for more than 58%. And this was the last wave of short sellers attack. And guys, I have to say that in general, we have even this information that was published by Meta News and reposted by John Burda. Let me quote it for you. In January of last year, Canadian broker Scotia iTrade valued MMTLP $137 a share. This occurred to multiple Canadian shareholders' accounts. And here you can see the screenshot from that was published by David. And he wrote, MMTLP, multiple Scotia iTrade accounts have been reported to show 137 Canadian dollars per share, which equates to $102 US per share. And let me show you that we also have even more evidence of this. Let me quote you the tweet that was made 15 hours ago by Whisker. He wrote in response to Johnny Tabako's tweet as well, several Canadian accounts were showing unrealized gains in the days following the MMTLP U3 halt, valued at roughly $103 US. Took Scotia 5 days to fix it and take it down to zero. So, I was millionaire for 5 days, lol. Funny enough, Philips 66 was valued at the same price. And I have to say that probably tomorrow I will do another update in regards to my view and my takeaway on the fair price of NextBridge hydrocarbon shares based on the intrinsic value of the NextBridge hydrocarbons and based on the fair value. You know that it is some kind of difference in between intrinsic value of the share and the real value, the real price of the certain asset. And probably tomorrow I will do this. If you want me to do it, please hit the like button and drop me a line in the comment section. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.